In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the dash vent on this Ford F-150. Let's get started. I'm going to show you how to do the driver's side vent, but in theory they're all the same. You would have to just remove the panel that they sit in. For the driver's side, you would want to take a trim tool and pop off this gray panel from below, just like this. It should slide out, and once you flip it over, you don't have to unplug anything. I unplug the headlight switch so I can tilt it so the camera can see. But on the back side, you have these little tabs here. There are 4 of them, 1 on each side. If you squeeze them in, the vent should start sliding out. I'm going to hold pressure, pushing outwards on the vent to hopefully unlock these tabs. It's not going to be easy. There we go. If you press in 3 at a time, it should pop out. Slide it out. There we go. And now you would take your new one, and it has to line up with these 2 cutouts at the top. So you'll notice that the vent has this outer ring here, the chrome ring, and it has these tabs that stick out further on these top 2, but not on the bottom. So that's how you know how to line it up. But if you don't get it right, it won't even go in, so you'll know. And there we go. Press it on. And now with this installed, let's put this piece back in. Grab your trim tool and try to line it up so that this lip right here goes underneath this other piece. So use that trim tool to gently pry. You don't want to break anything. There we go. Tap it back into place. All the clips should line up, and you have yourself a new vent.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.